Hello friends, our today's topic is advanced microcontrollers. In in, in this concern here we are going to discuss the higher version of PIC microcontroller series that in previous lectures we have studied the various features of PIC 16F877 microcontroller. So in this topic we are discussing the higher version of PIC microcontroller, that is PIC 18F4550 microcontroller. So as we seen, the various versions are available of a PIC microcontrollers. It is started from 10F, 12F, 14F, 16F, 18F and up to 32 and more. So here we are discussing regarding the PIC 18F XXX series. So in that we select 4550 microcontroller, which is similar to the PIC 16F in uh, various applications and features, but some advanced features or enhancement in features is made available in PIC 18F microcontroller series. So if we consider this PIC 18F series, here it is an again 40 pin IC which is available in DIP or in SMD package also, both packages also. TQFP packages is also provided. Here some peripheral features are enhanced. See, we discussed some uh, pin configurations related to the PIC 18F series. So first pin is MCLR, that is similar to 16F, that is for reset purpose, master reset, and it is also available for programming. After that, port A, here PIC 18F is also consists of 5 IO ports, that is port A, port B, port C, port D and port E. So in some series of PIC 18F microcontroller, here some enhancement in the IO ports, that is as we discussed, the number of IO pins available in PIC 16F are 33, but here we see the number of IO pins available in PIC 18F higher series is are 35. So here two pins are increased, and these pins are increased with concern to the port A and port E. So in port A and port E, one pin is increased. So we see, so first, that is RA0 basic pin, that is first pin of port A. Basic function of each and every IO ports pin is input output operation, performing input output operation, and similar to the 616 here, port A additional pin function is analog input, and again port E is also having analog input. So this is the additional pin function capacity of PIC 18F series port A. So along with that, negative voltage reference and positive voltage reference, which is used for A to D comparison purpose. So they are also provided at pin number 4 and 5. Timer clock is also provided. After that, next port is port E, that is RE0, RE1, RE2. So as per the pin number we are going, and similar functions are there for the port is IO pin, and additional pin functions are analog input 5, 6, 7, and here uh, additional pin functions are also for port operations, that is serial operations. After that, we see the supply connections at 11 and 12 where plus 5 volt and ground supply. After that, 13, 14, similar to 16F, oscillator connections are there. So oscillator in and oscillator out connections are there. After that, we see the port C started, that is RC0, RC1, RC2 and up RC. In this case, here port pins of port C are having the pin capacity or function is IO pin. Along with that, some timer applications, timer oscillator, timer 1, after the timer 1 or 2 clock input, and like that. So port C is having additional pin function of timer applications, mostly related to capture compare purpose. So timer 1 and timer 2 generally used. After that we see additional pin function at pin number 8, VUSB, that is internal USB, which is operated at 3.3 volts. So regular voltage is provided at pin number 18, and the required voltage is 3.3 volt, so which is as a output. And here PIC18F supports USB 2.0 version for the various applications. So after that, port D is started with SPP, that is additional pin function, as similar to the additional pin function in 16F, that is PSP, parallel slave port. Here streaming parallel port data is similar, but some advanced feature is there. So all the streaming parallel port data pins are available for the port D itself. And again, for additional pin function is IO pin is a basic pin function related to the port D. So for each and every port, IO pin is a basic function, and after that some additional features like here streaming parallel port data function is available with port D, and various timer related and CCP related additional pin function associated with port C. And in case of port A and port E, the various pin functions are related to the PIC18FR ADC input. And then we see the pin functions related to the port C higher nibble, that is IO pins, and EUSAT, that is enhanced universal synchronous or synchronous receiver transmitter, which is most important. Again, some advanced feature, that is shift registers and data registers are included in build for the various applications. So these are the pins which are associated with the port D and port C. After that we go for the port B. Here in case of port B, as we start from the RB0 itself. So here for this purpose, in case of PIC16F, only one external interrupt is there, but in case of PIC18F, external interrupts are enhanced. So here external interrupt pin, first pin, that is external interrupt 0 is provided at RB0, external interrupt 1 is provided at RB1, and external interrupt 2 is provided at RB2. So these are the external interrupts enhanced in PIC18F, which are not available in PIC16F. Only one interrupt is there. After that, for SP and I2C communication, SCL, SCA, SCK and SDA data lines are used for various applications, that is serial data in, serial data out, and data synchronization in case of I2C, SDA. So receiver application IO is there in case of I2C, and SPI here separate data in and data out lines are there, and clock lines are also used. So these are the pins related to lower byte of the lower nibble of the port B. After that, again here additional port function of the port B is having the additional analog input. So here in this version, that is PIC18F, 13 analog inputs are there, but in case of PIC16F only 8 analog input channels are there. So here the additional channels are provided at port B. So it will start from these pins like analog input 9. So sequence is somewhat changed as per mentioned in pin diagram, and input 11, analog input 11. So this is related to here analog input 8, analog input 10, analog input 12. So now port B consists of the additional analog input pins. So this is the additional pin function of an PIC18F series. So these are the various functions of the pins. After that we go for the some features of an PIC18F4550 microcontroller series. So the total number of pins available are 40 pins, which is similar to the PIC16F, and the package is also, if we consider the same, that is DIP, dual inline package. The operating voltage required is again 4.0 to 5.5 volt, which is efficient voltage or sufficient voltage, so that your controller works properly. So after that, the additional function is, that is feature for that is IO pins. So number of IO pins are 35. So here 2 pins are increased. After that, in communication protocols, here USB serial interface is enhanced, which is available at pin number 23 and 24. So this USB feature is not available in lower versions of PIC microcontroller. So here it is available. MSSP is also available. Here it is also available. Programmable USART is there. 2-wire I2C is available, and again SPI is also available. After that, next feature is 13 channels 10-bit resolution of ADC is available. In previous case it is 8 channel, or in 28 pin IC it is 5 channels. So number of timers are more. So one 8-bit timer counter and three 16-bit timer counters are available. So as per our requirement, after this we can select either 8-bit or 16-bit timer counter. Analog comparators are two, that is V reference plus V reference minus. PWM channels 4 instead of 2 in previous version. External crystal oscillator connected is having the capacity of 48 megahertz, which is quite enhanced, as in earlier version it is 20 megahertz. And here internal oscillator is also available with the range of 32 kilohertz to 8 megahertz, which is not available in earlier version. So it is again additional pin function of an PIC 18F microcontroller. So these are features. After that, again some features, that is memory used, that is for program purpose, that is flash program memory is used for programming and reprogramming purpose, and its size is also enhanced, that is 32 kilobytes, which is quite higher as compared to the previous versions. CPU speed is 12 MIPS. MIPS means millions of instructions per cycle, per second. So in a 1 second, the number of instructions executed at 12 millions. The RAM size is 2 kilobyte. It is quite higher. After that, E square PROM similar to the earlier version, that is 256 bytes. Watchdog timer is also available with separate on-chip oscillator, as we seen the internal oscillator up to the 8 megahertz. So here this oscillator is generally used for watchdog timer, and with higher capacity, that is 8 megahertz. After that, power saving modes are also available, and general operating range for PIC18F is industrial range, that is minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. That is works at minimum minus 40 and maximum at plus 85 degrees Celsius. So these are the features of an PIC 18F4550 microcontroller. So after that, we compare this version of microcontroller, that is 18F with 16F microcontroller. So see the difference. If we are considering the package level, which is same for both the ICs, that is DIP package with 40 pin capacity, so which is the basic version and mostly available in market. So after that, we consider the number of IO pins. So PIC16F consists of 33 IO pins, and PIC18F consists of 35 IO pins. So 2 IO pins are enhanced. After that, if we consider the program memory available for both uh, microcontrollers, so in PIC16F higher version, that is highest program memory available is 14K, and it basic, that is PIC16F 877 consists of 8 kilobyte of program memory, flash type of program memory. Here in case of PIC18F, flash type of program memory is used, but the range of this flash program memory is 32 kilobytes, which is much higher as compared to the 16F program memory. After that, the maximum crystal oscillator speed connected to the controller is, in case of PIC 16F 20 megahertz, that is from 0 to 20 megahertz. And here in case of PIC 18F, and the crystal oscillator range, maximum range is up to the 48 megahertz. And if we consider the CPU speed, that is in case of PIC 16F 5 MIPS, millions of instruction per second, and in case of PIC 18F 12 MIPS. So again it is much higher than the earlier version, that is 16F. ADC, if we consider the analog to digital converter, so in PIC 16F 8 channel 10-bit resolution ADC is used, that is we can connect 8 analog inputs to the PIC 16F. But in case of PIC 18F, 13 analog channels are available, so additional channels are provided at our port B, and earlier 8 channels are available with port A and port E as similar to PIC 16F, but the additional analog input channels are provided at port B, and its resolution is again same, that is 10-bit resolution. After that, the RAM size for PIC 16F is 368 bytes only. Here RAM size for PIC 18F is up to the 2 kilobyte, and that to the static RAM, SRAM is used in PIC 18F. After that, E square PROM size, E square PROM data memory is used for PIC 16F is having the capacity of 256 bytes, and in case of PIC 18F again same range of E square PROM is available, that is 256 bytes. The number of timers available for PIC 16F are the two 8-bit timers, that is timer 0 and timer 2 are 8-bit timers, and only timer 1 is 16-bit timer. Here out of 4 timers, first timer, that is timer 0, is 8-bit, and remaining timers are 3 timers are 16-bit timers. So we can choose any one timer as per our requirement. Here timers are also enhanced. And in case of comparators, that is analog comparators, in both controllers or both series of controllers 16F and 18F, comparators are same, that is two comparators are used. And in case of CCP module, here two CCP modules are available in PIC 16F, and in case of 18F, one CCP module and one eCCP, enhanced CCP module is used. After that, in case of serial communication, in serial communication one USART is used for PIC 16F, one MSSP, that is master synchronous serial port is available, and with the consent to the SPI and I2C. In case of PIC 18F, here one EUSART, that is enhanced USART is used, and one MSSP, that is related to the SPI and I2C. So in both these controllers, basic communication protocols are same, but some modified or advanced features are available in USART communication, which is used in PIC 18F microcontroller. The additional feature which is not available in PIC 16F or lower versions of PIC microcontroller is the USB supports, that is in case of PIC 18F, PIC 18F supports USB 2.0, and which is not available in 16F. So USB support is enhanced, that is a major difference or additional feature available in PIC 18F. So this is related to the differential points between PIC 16F microcontroller and PIC 18F microcontroller. So as the advancement in features are there, so PIC 18F is much better as compared to the PIC 16F. Again, in instruction set, some instructions are enhanced, that is in case of PIC 16F only addition and subtraction instructions are there with the concern to the ALU operations, but in case of PIC 18F, the instructions available or available for performing multiplication and division directly. So this advancement is also useful for the user while using the operations, that is ALU operations. So by performing these kind of operations here, PIC 18F supports better as compared to the 16F. Again, Stack level is also enhanced. So in case of PIC 16F, only 8 level stack is there, so to store the data temporary while performing the ALU operations or CPU operations. But in case of PIC 18F, here stack level is enhanced, that is 21 level stack is also available, so which is again better for performing various operations. So stack level is also enhanced. So these are the features available with PIC 18F 4550. So thank you for listening and watching. Thank you.